In this video, we're going to be using LumaFusion to do this really cool phone screen zoom transition that looks like this. So to do this effect, the first thing we need to do is create a green screen background for our phone. And the easiest way to do this is to take a screenshot, choose this bright green colour, select this marker, make it nice and thick, and just colour in the whole screen like this. Next, you want to film yourself holding the phone up to the camera like this. Okay, let's jump into LumaFusion and see how this is done. So here we are in LumaFusion, and the first clip is the one we just shot of me holding the phone up to the camera. And the second clip is this stunning view from the top of the Great Orme in North Wales. So first of all, we're going to take that first clip and put it over the top of the second clip. And then we're going to double tap it to go into edit. Make sure we're in colour and effects. We're going to go up to the key icon and we're going to choose green screen key. Next, we're going to choose the colour picker and we're going to select that green on the front of the phone. And as you can see, that's keyed that green out. Now we're going to go down to frame and fit. And we're going to scroll through the clip until the phone is completely on the screen. Once it's there, we're going to add a keyframe. Then we're going to scroll right to the end of the clip and we're going to use our fingers to zoom right into that phone screen. And when we're done, you'll see LumaFusion automatically creates another keyframe at the end of the clip for us. So back to the timeline, and the end result looks like this. So if you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cool videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.